Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving deep into Railway's fascinating journey, scaling their Slack support system to handle thousands of developers. It's a wild ride.
I'm already hooked. So they went from struggling with support to having a Slack-based system that's 50 times more engaging than email? That's incredible. Let's wait, Tem. What was their initial approach?
Initially, they handcrafted Slack Connect channels, a very personal touch, but unsustainable. Think handwritten notes versus mass email. Charming, but not scalable. They quickly hit a wall at 100+ channels, especially with one person juggling sales, compliance, and channel creation. A recipe for disaster.
Totally. So they built their own solution. What tech did they use? I'm guessing some serious back-end magic.
You bet. They built HelpStation, a custom support tool that syncs with Slack. It uses the Slack Bolt SDK, initially in socket mode, but they later switched to HTTP routes for better stability. They also integrated Temporal for workflow orchestration to handle the massive message volume. Up to 100 messages per second at peak.
Wow, Temporal. That's a powerful choice for reliability. But I bet there were some bumps in the road. What were some of the biggest challenges?
Oh, plenty. First, the initial Slack integration had a major flaw. External users couldn't trigger the support modal. They had to use a support command, which nobody knew about. Then, they had issues with message delivery using socket mode, forcing a switch to HTTP routes. And finally, integrating Temporal required careful decomposition of workflows into atomic activities to avoid opaque errors. It was a real learning experience.
I can imagine. So they went through a lot of iterations. What's the final solution like?
The final system is elegant. Every message is a thread by default, maintaining that personal touch. Railway employees can impersonate users to keep the conversation natural. They use GPT-4o Mini to categorize messages as sales or support, though that proved a bit leaky. The whole thing runs on Railway, of course, with zero downtime deploys and robust error handling thanks to Temporal.
Impressive. So what were the results? Did it all pay off?
Absolutely. They saw a 50x increase in engagement and an 8x improvement in response times. They're now opening up this Slack Connect experience to all pro teams. It's a testament to prioritizing developer experience and building a system that fosters genuine, helpful interactions.
This is a fantastic case study in how to build a scalable, human-centered support system. It shows that investing in the right tools and architecture can dramatically improve customer satisfaction and, ultimately, revenue. A great example of scale, not sales.
Exactly. And it highlights the power of choosing the right tools for the job, even if it means building something custom. Thanks for joining us on Tech Bytes and News. We'll catch you next time with more exciting tech news.
Bye-bye.